So I'm joined today by Dr. Wushen from YINCAE Advanced Materials. Nice to see you again, Dr. Wushen.
So nice to see you.
Yeah. So I believe you've been recently been developing high reliability conductive epoxy material, which reflows at 270 degrees. Can you tell us a little bit about it, how you developed it, and the applications?
Yeah, okay. Thank you first, Trevor. We developed some this epoxy for the die attach. I guess semi-conductivity and electroconductivity. Okay. They can tolerate minus 273 degrees C without any delamination.
Okay,
yeah,
really?
Without any delamination.
Okay.
So another technology we developed, so we can change the flux residue to soldermask. So eliminate the industrial headache, cleaning process, and the pollution, huge cost.
So actually the flux chemistry essentially sets to become a soldermask over the board.
Yes.
Yeah. But there's no issue with trapping any debris or contaminants below that. No.
No any issue. Even use no killing solder paste reflow.
Right.
So as you know, 50% is the solder, is right? 50% is the flux residue and the stuff.
Yeah.
So a lot of residue over there. We still don't have any issue.
Yeah. Okay. So what components in the flux chemistry make it special so that you can set it as a solder mask?
Yes. So as you know, the flux residue, the main ingredient is rosin. It's rosin. Rosin it itself.
Yeah.
This benzene, this stuff is hydrophobic. The only the flux function, as long as the flux function, reacted with our the underfill, moldy underfill encapsulate, and they became much better solder mask.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And so that's really interesting. So that takes away the need for cleaning.
Yes.
And that type of thing. Okay. So looking at this high reliability conductive adhesive you've produced, what sort of applications is that being produced for?
Yes. So right now, mainly for the space. The people like the mask, they said, go to Mars. Mars, the temperature minus 140 degrees C.
Right.
So normally, this materials doesn't work over there.
Right.
So we develop materials can tolerate minus 270 degrees C.
Wow. Wow. That's a huge range.
Yeah.
That's a huge range. So minus 270. Wow. Okay. And is it also used in automotive applications or any other applications for high reliability?
Yes. Right now, mainly space company. Mainly space. Of course.
Well, there's not very many people going into space.
Yes.
So I would think that's a fairly limited market. So there must be other high reliability markets that you're using this material for.
Yes. Yeah. Some is like aerospace, the engine stuff, Yeah. They need to go to space. Just very, very low temperature.
Okay. So is this a material that was customer driven? Did they come to you and say they had this issue? Can you develop something, or was this something that your team felt there was a market for?
Yeah, actually, some the weapon company, so they need to try to looking for this kind of the materials.
Right. Okay. So some military application, but obviously it trickles down into other applications that are non-military, like aerospace and okay, I get it. Good. So these materials, they're now available. You've released them now onto the market. You have done your beta testing and everything with them.
No, on sale.
On sale.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent.
On sale.
Okay.
So
what are they called? Do they have a name?
Yes, DA158N.
Okay. DA158A. Okay.
N, like Nancy, yeah.
Okay. All right. What other things are you working on then, Dr. Wushen?
So other things this is a really low temperature one. Okay. So we also developed something, changing the flux residue to solder mask. We aim at a high temperature. They can tolerate over 400 degrees C.
So developing something for the low temperature market that can withstand high temperature.
Yeah, another marketing is high temperature. One is low temperature, another is high temperature.
I see. So on the low temperature side, though, you've got a lot of competition coming in from the, the tin bismuth and materials like that.
Yeah, tin bismuth is a lot of the competition, but the tin bismuth is not that low, not go to minus 270 degrees C.
No, of course not.
Yeah,
no, of course not. Won't do that. But yeah. So it sounds like you've got a wide range of materials you're working on. Exciting times. So I'm sure if people want to know more, they can go to your website and find out more information. But I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Thank you.
Expand your inspection capabilities. The Mertek MV6 comes fitted with a best-in-class high-performance 18-megapixel camera. This provides inspection in 5 directions using top-down and 4 angled cameras simultaneously, finding defects that a single camera can't detect, such as OCR and QFN solder bridges.